Simplifying expressions, understanding constants in algebra. Imagine you're trying to solve a puzzle where some pieces stay the same no matter how you move others around. That's what constants do in algebra. They are fixed values that don't change, like the number 2 or the letter A when it stands for a specific number. Constants can be just numbers, like 5 or -3, or they can be letters that representing a number we don't know yet. In algebra, a constant is different from a variable. Variables are symbols like x or y that can change depending on the situation. Constants stay the same no matter what the variables are doing. When you look at an expression like 5x plus 2, the 2 is a constant because it stays the same no matter what value x has. The 5 in front of x is called a coefficient, which is a number multiplying the variable. But the 2 on its own is just a constant. Constants are important when simplifying algebraic expressions. You can add or subtract constants with other constants. For example, if you have 3 plus 4, you can combine them to make 7. But you cannot combine a constant with a variable unless they are the same kind of term. For example, in 3 plus x, the 3 is a constant and x is a variable. You can't add them together, but you can combine all the constants in an expression to make it simpler. Constants can also be negative, like -5, or fractions and decimals, such as 0.5 or 1/2. Sometimes, letters like A, B, or C are used to stand for constants when the exact number isn't known. This is common in formulas like a x plus b equals 0, where A and B are constants and x is the variable you want to find. Knowing about constants helps you organize and simplify algebraic expressions. When you see an expression, look for constants that can be combined. This makes solving problems easier because you can group all the constants together and leave the variables separate. It also helps when you're working with real-world problems like calculating total costs or distances, where some numbers stay the same no matter what. To sum up, a constant is a value that doesn't change. It can be a number or a letter representing a fixed number. Constants can be combined with other constants to make expressions simpler. Remember, constants stay the same even when variables change, so recognizing them helps you simplify and solve algebraic problems more easily.